The 5 best Under Desk Treadmills 2024, tested and reviewed. Why not add one of the best Under Desk Treadmills to your home and take a walk without leaving the house? Most of us love to get outdoors for a walk around our local neighborhood or in nature, but it's not always possible. Whether you're working at home or it's bad weather outside, these minimalist treadmills are ideal for taking a quick stroll. Unlike the best treadmills for running, these underdesk versions don't have handles, a large display or virtual classes, and have slower maximum speeds. Instead, the walking platform is designed to keep you moving steadily to clock up some steps and can be tucked away between sessions. To help you find the right model for your setup, we put the best under-desk treadmills to the test, setting them up at home and using them alongside a standing desk for walking workouts and some movement during work calls. The Goplus treadmill, thanks to its easy setup and ease of use. But it's not your only choice, as we've also included budget-friendly machines and foldable treadmills to help you get Number 1. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, the best under-desk treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill is simple to set up, and it smoothly accelerates to its top speed of 7.5 miles per hour. Our testers found that the deck was sturdy enough to walk on while they completed tasks at their standing desks. And they appreciated the collapsible handlebars and dual front wheels, which make it easier to move this treadmill around. But like other underdesk treadmills we tested, the Goplus doesn't seem built to last. The belt didn't whir or screech after several weeks of use, as those on some other models did, but it did start to fray along the edge like a well-worn sweater just beginning to pill. Though we still found the treadmill completely usable, if this fraying will bother you, the 90-day warranty doesn't cover normal wear and tear. The Goplus treadmill doesn't have a dynamic display screen for tracking workout vitals coming among models we tested. However, the treadmill does have both a Bluetooth speaker for music and a bare-bones fitness tracker built into the deck. It also comes with a mobile app to track exercise data, though the app was finicky during testing. We think it's best to stick with a dedicated fitness tracker that seamlessly logs your movement. Don't forget to move your arms and connects you to other fitness enthusiasts. It can safely accommodate up to 265 pounds. That's more than most of the models we tested, including our other. Number 2. Go Youth 2-in-1 Under-Desk Electric Treadmill. Slower, with a better warranty. If you have trouble lifting heavy objects, or you don't plan to run while at your desk, get the Go Youth 2-in-1 Under-Desk Electric Treadmill. It's lighter and more maneuverable, and it has a longer warranty than our top pick, the Goplus 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. But the Go Youth model can't reach running speeds or support as much weight. It's the easiest to maneuver of our picks. This treadmill weighs just 51 pounds, almost 20 pounds less than our top pick. So during testing, this model was easy to slide along its dual front wheels from a desk to storage. This under-desk treadmill isn't designed for running. Like most models we tested, this machine can't hit running speeds, and it tops out at just 3.7 miles per hour. Still, panelists thought this treadmill provided a comfortable ride. They described the belt as smooth and aligned with my expectations. Some testers slightly preferred walking on the Go Youth treadmill's belt over the Goplus's. Although both treadmills offered a smooth ride, several panelists thought the Goplus belt was a tad too heavy underfoot. Walking pad models with speed limits mirroring that of the Go Youth treadmill felt clunky and hard underfoot. It supports less weight than our top pick. Though some marketing materials suggest this walking pad has a weight limit of 300 pounds, customer support confirmed its real weight capacity is 220 pounds. Our top pick can support up. Number 3, Walking Pad A1 Pro Walking Pad Folding Treadmill. The Walking Pad A1 Pro has a foldable design, so you can easily store it away between uses, making it a great option if you're tight on space or need it out of sight when not in use. But that's not all it has going for it. The machine is fast to set up, has a remote control, and a screen on the front for workout metrics like distance walked, time, and speed. There are 2 modes, manual and automatic. In manual mode, you change the speed using the remote or KS Fit app on your smartphone. In automatic mode, the belt speeds up or slows down depending on where you position yourself. Walk closer to the front, it speeds up. Walk closer to the back, it slows down. Whichever mode you use, the treadmill is fairly quiet too. During testing, we found the sound of the plastic end of our shoelaces smacking the belt during a walk was louder than the belt and motor in operation. Plan to walk while you're on a call? The walking pad won't disturb people in other rooms of the house. Overall, this is a great option, although during testing we did find that the KS Fit app was a little glitchy, which was irritating. If you're not all that bothered about recording your work walks, however, don't let this put... Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Under Desk Walking Compact Treadpad Treadmill. If you are looking for a pre-assembled slim treadmill to slide under your desk, the Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad is one of the quietest options out there. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad has a speed range between 0.3 miles per hour and 4.0 miles per hour. In my years of treadmill testing, it's pretty rare to see a treadmill that can pace a walking speed of less than 0.5 miles per hour, making the Treadpad a great option for beginners. The digital display console shows speed, time, distance, calories burned, and steps taken. It's straightforward to read and easy to simply look down and see where you're at. It also has a safety cord that you can easily kick to stop the treadmill if you have any issues. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad is operated using a remote control. The remote itself is straightforward to use. Change the speed of the treadmill. During testing, I did find there is a slight delay of a few seconds when you change speeds, but this isn't too much of an issue. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad belt is extremely soft with built-in shock absorbers. During testing, I felt like I was walking on a surface softer than concrete. I've used the Treadpad at different speeds and found it to be one of the highest quality belts I've tried on a walking treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad has an automatic shutoff after 5 seconds of inactivity, meaning I didn't have to worry about it being accidentally left on when I'd left the room. This is undoubtedly a great safety feature if you have pets or children in the home. All in all, the Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Treadpad does exactly what it says on the tin. It fits well underneath most standing desks, and it is a great way to add movement into your working day. For the price tag, the tread to store easily, it arrives ready to use, and the digital display is easy to read. Number 5. Urevo Under Desk Treadmill. If you're looking for the best treadmill you can walk on while you work, the Urevo 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill is an ultra-compact model that excels at its intended purpose and even works for jogging. Users wanting to stretch their legs while working at a desk will appreciate its thin profile and quiet operation. This user-friendly model can be used in flat walking mode at speeds up to 3.8 miles per hour. With the handle raised, the speed increases to a maximum of 7. The Urevo 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a thoughtfully designed, compact treadmill for light runners, walkers, or those looking to burn a few calories under their desks. The flat design provides a quiet, low-profile walking surface for those wanting to use it under a desk. With its handrail in the raised position, it works for speed walking or jogging. This versatile machine is lightweight and easy to move and store. Its deck surface is comfortable and compliant, but not ideal for faster runs. We found this machine a pleasure to use and easy to live with. If you're in search of a treadmill that won't destroy your usable space or break the bank, then the Urevo is worthy of your consideration. This treadmill isn't up for serious training, nor is every treadmill consumer. This unit is great for walking and light running. If you'd like a machine that prioritizes convenience and storage over outright performance, this 2-in-1 treadmill is hard to beat. Its low cost and ease of use are highlights. With an incredibly thin profile, this treadmill works remarkably